What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, try to use AI tools like ChatGPT to write papers, but worried about getting flagged by the school's AI detection system, or you're a blogger, teacher, or SEO specialist looking to humanize AI generated text seamlessly, well, you are watching the right video. Today we're diving into an amazing tool called Tenorshare AI Bypass, trusted by over 3 million users worldwide. And guess what? It's incredibly easy to use. AI-generated content is super powerful, but many institutions now use AI detection tools like GPTZero and ZeroGPT and other tools to identify robotic text. This can be a major obstacle for students or professionals who rely on AI tools for assistance. But don't worry, that's where Tenorshare AI Bypass comes in. Tenorshare AI Bypass is an all-in-one AI humanizer tool that transforms robotic text into human-like content in just one click. And here's how it works. Click the link below given in the description of this video, log into your account or create a new account and get free trial. Paste your AI-generated text here. Click on Humanize button to make it humanized content. And here's your high-quality humanized content that mimics natural writing patterns. It is so fast, easy, perfect for anyone juggling deadlines. Let's take a look at some examples. Here's a piece of AI-generated text, and here's the humanized version processed by Tenorshare AI Bypass. So see the difference. Tenorshare humanized content into something that sounds truly authentic. Tenorshare can make your essays and papers undetectable by AI detectors used in schools. That means you can focus on expressing your ideas without the fear of being flagged. Plus, it's grammar error-free and supports over 50 plus languages. It's not just for students. Teachers can use it to prepare lessons materials. Bloggers can create SEO-friendly posts, and SEO specialists can bypass AI detection to rank higher on search engines. Now let's talk about the pricing plan. Tenorshare AI plans offers two main plans. The first one is basic plan. So basic plan comes with these features like 10,000 words per month and 600 words per request, unlimited AI detecting, fast mode, balanced mode, and undetectable by basic AIs, built-in AI detectors, and 100% error-free grammar, free customer support, and 30 days money-back guarantee. And the second plan is AI Bypass Pro, and that comes with 50,000 words per month, 33,000 words per request, and also everything in basic plus ultra enhanced mode, undetectable by AI, most AI models, platforms, and 100% plagiarism-free outputs, 100% human-like content, and advanced access and prior customer support, also 30 days money back guarantee. If you want to go with yearly plan, you can save some bucks, but if you're okay to go with monthly, you can also go with monthly plan. Is it safe? Yes, it's completely secure and respect your privacy. How does it work? It uses advanced algorithm trains on millions of human-written database to humanize AI content. What type of content can it humanize? Essays, blogs, email, product description, and more. So what are you waiting for? Whether you are a student or professional or just someone looking to make AI-generated text sound more human, Tenorshare AI Bypass just got you covered. Try it free for today and experience the difference for yourself. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tools like this. See you in the next video.